Hey there, I got a very simple but also very powerful tapping lick for you to help you to move horizontally. Pick a scale of your choice, for example, the F major scale on the high E string. Without movement, we would play 3 notes back and forth like this. Tap, pull, pull, hammer, tap. But what you can do is tap, pull, pull, and then slide instead of hammer. And that brings you into the next position. Then you do the same. And backwards you can do this. Together. Hey there, this is a cool descending tapping lick on 2 strings. I play in the key of E Aeolian minor. It's a repeating lick through different positions. I'm gonna show you the tapping pattern. I'm starting here in the 15th position on the B string. That's the lick. It contains 17 notes, but the last 3 notes are triplets, so it fits in one bar if you regard it as a 16th note lick. And then you can move this through positions with all scales you want. This cool tapping lick crosses almost the whole fretboard. It's played along a 4 notes per string scale shape in E Aeolian minor and goes like this. I use these 2 fingers for tapping, starting with a hammer on, tap, tap, pull, pull, pull. And then changing the string, tap, pull, pull. And then slide into the 4th note on that string. And this is the starting note for the same on the next 2 strings. So again, the lick idea. The same here. There, this tapping lick has a really cool flow. Choose a 3 notes per string scale shape, then extend each string by 1 note. That is the note you're gonna tap. And now the easy idea. And then try to alternate between strings. And you can do this on all strings, of course. There. I'm mainly into 3 notes per string scale shapes. These come in very handy. You can tap the 3rd note. To train that back and forth movement even more, you can do this. Play 3 strings up, go back to the former string, and then again 3 strings up. And again. And backwards the same. String skipping.